morning everyone, and for today's video guys, papakita ko naman sa inyo ngayon itong New York Model House, the New York Model Unit dito po sa Anyana, Altansa. Wow guys, look at this. Ayan, ang ganda na, no? So ayan po, may mga salamin na po tayo nilagay, and then ito yung interior natin. So this is the ground floor. Wow guys, konting-konti na lang po at makikita nyo na po yung ganda nitong ating New York Model House. Look at this guys. Napakahirap lang magpagawa ng bahay, pero at least the design is makikita nyo na. And then even here, no? Messy but anyway. And then check natin sa itaas. So this guys, meron tayong bisita. Wow. So may client tayo ngayon. So nag-i-inquire lang po tayo. So this is the one room. Common CR. Okay. So ayan, tingnan natin kung pasok po ba. So now, this is the third room. Wow. The master's bedroom. Alright guys, so nakita niyo po yung ating update na New York Model House. If you are into guys, so please don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and message lang po kayo kung magkano po itong New York Model Unit. Alright, so thank you and see you in my next video.
Eh,